Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'll be talking about Bitdefender's advanced features, especially new ones in 2023. Now, Bitdefender is known for their high quality protection and perfect detection rate. And after using their antivirus for about a year now, I've decided to renew my subscription. While there are some downsides, Bitdefender is still a great choice for those of you seeking total digital security. So today we'll be looking at their features, pros and cons, and everything else that's important for you to know. And by the time we get through this review, you're going to know if Bitdefender is the right choice for you or if you want to go with another service. And listen, if you want to give Bitdefender a try, there's a link in the description below that'll help you save up to 67% off your first year. And by the way, this is a deal that you won't get by visiting their website directly. All right, guys, let's get right into it. Now, Bitdefender is packed with a bunch of great features like a malware scanner that has top-notch detection rates, web protection, ransomware protection, and some great additional features like parental control, password manager, webcam, and microphone protection, and a VPN. So basically, they have all sorts of cybersecurity protection features that you need to stay safe 100%. And not only is their antivirus user-friendly, but also affordable. And as a bonus, they also provide you with a 30-day money-back guarantee on all of their plans, so you can give it a try risk-free. Not only that, but they also have a free version with the same malware scanner as the paid versions. Okay, let's start with the most basic features of any antivirus, the Antivirus Scanner. Now, Bitdefender's Antivirus Scanner is based on both virus database as well as machine learning. So they basically have a newly updated advanced threat defense feature, which is an innovative solution for detecting zero-day threats in real time. Now, zero-day threats are basically malware that hasn't been seen before and doesn't match any known types. Plus, all the scanning happens in the cloud. So if you're wondering what that actually means, it basically means that your device's performance is hardly impacted, which allows you to run scans in the background, allowing you to continue doing your work. Now, during my test, I planted 10 malicious files in my PC, which included viruses, trojans, worms, ransomware, spyware, and rootkits. I checked every scan that Bitdefender offers. So the first one was the quick scan, and it was completed within 4 minutes, but only detected one file. Next, we have the system scan, which is a thorough scanning process, took about an hour to complete, and was able to detect 9 out of 10 files. There's also a custom scan that lets you scan a specific location on your device at a set time and can last anywhere between a few seconds to a half an hour. And lastly, they have the vulnerability scanner that lasts for about 5 minutes and checks for any weak passwords and out-of-date versions of apps and even Windows. This one really comes in handy if you're someone who doesn't update your device and apps on a regular basis. Next is the ransomware remediation feature. Now, this feature was designed to protect your files automatically from any ransomware attack. Although they offer advanced multi-layer ransomware protection, it's not always possible to protect your files completely. Now, Bitdefender's ransomware protection feature is designed to detect ransomware, encrypt your files, and block all malicious processes before any harm is done. Plus, the ransomware remediation feature also creates backup files, so even in the case of an attack, you don't lose any of your important files. Now, let's see how Bitdefender protects online activity in real time. So listen, they have the Bitdefender Shield, which scans all downloaded files for threats, and if it finds one, the file is either deleted or quarantined so that your system is protected. It also comes with an anti-phishing feature that quickly scans websites so you don't accidentally open one that turns out to be malicious. Now, what truly impressed me was their web protection, which was able to block every single phishing site that I tried visiting, even with Chrome security filters turned off. Now, like most other antivirus companies, Bitdefender offers a firewall that prevents malicious or unwanted content from entering your digital environment. It protects your device from unauthorized access by blocking inbound and outbound connections. So the way it works is with a set of rules to know which applications are the ones to trust. Now, let's get into one of the latest editions of Bitdefender's antivirus in 2023, which is EDR or Endpoint endpoint detection and response. It shows you any potential weak spots in your system that could be targeted or suggests ways to fix them. So when an attack occurs, EDR helps you figure out where it came from, why it happened, and how to prevent similar attacks in the future. Now, Bitdefender offers several additional features such as a VPN, an anti-tracker, password manager, identity theft protection, and webcam and microphone protection. Now, their VPN is available for all Bitdefender users with a maximum of 200 megabytes of data per day. Although this is just not enough for everyone out there, you can always purchase their VPN separately or go with their higher tier plans for unlimited data. Now, another feature is their anti-tracker, available only for premium users. Now, this one stops excessive tracking for web services like third-party scripts and cookies. Then there's a password manager that comes with a password wallet to store them, a password generator to create strong passwords, and an auto save and auto file feature to file in your passwords and save them onto your wallet automatically. Their password manager is available for Windows, iOS, Android, or macOS. Now, the major downside to Bitdefender is their lack of some features for macOS or iOS. For example, they don't have a firewall for macOS or iOS. But given that Apple products are fairly well off in this area, Bitdefender is still a great choice for everyone. Alright, now that I've talked about the features, let me tell you about Bitdefender's subscription plans. Now, they have many options depending on the number of devices you can protect and the features they offer. For starters, the Antivirus Plus is about $20 for the first year and provides basic antivirus protection for up to 3 Windows devices. Bitdefender also offers the Internet Security Plan, which costs about $35 and adds privacy, firewall, and parental control features for up to 3 devices as well. Now, if you want the higher tier, you can have the Total Security Plan, which costs around $40, and you can protect up to 5 devices, including Windows, Android, macOS, and iOS, and also have a device optimizer in addition to all of the features in the previous plans. And next, you have the Premium Security Plan, which costs about $50. It protects up to 10 devices, including Windows, Android, macOS, and iOS, and offers parental control, a VPN with unlimited data, and a host of web protection features. Now, if you have a family, you can go for the family plan that costs about $45 for the first year. It offers strong security for up to 15 devices and is available on all software like the previous plans. And lastly, their best plan, which is the unlimited security plan that costs around $80 for the first year. It has all the features of the premium security plan and also has identity theft protection for up to 10 devices, including all software as well. Now listen, I recommend you go with the unlimited security plan since it has the best value compared to the other plans, especially with how many features it offers. So overall, would I recommend Bitdefender? Well, absolutely. They offer one of the best antivirus programs for real-time protection and deep scans. So if you're looking for an affordable antivirus that can protect you from threats, then Bitdefender is definitely something to consider. All right, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe for more. And if you'd like to check out Bitdefender, click the link in the description down below to save up to 67% off your first year subscription. Now, let me know if you have any questions or comments in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.